it's me, Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Of course, I've just realised I have no makeup on. This is going to be fun. Anywho, Top Tip Tuesday is what we're here for. So I'll do a quick bit of housekeeping and then I will flip the camera down to my desk to let you know what's going on. So I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the UK, working across the UK, France, Germany, Austria and the Netherlands. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products or want to take advantage of the current joining offer, which is for the amazing planner, but you get 3 notebooks, you get a stamp set, you get enough bits to put inside for 18 months. I know, it's amazing. It's priced, we were allowed to buy it before it went into celebration and it was about £42 thereabouts. So it's worth getting. Even if you are not a planner person, you may know someone who is, and of course you get the usual £99 cost including shipping for £130 of product, or €129 cost for €175 of product. So it's an amazing deal, but only till the end of August, so don't hang about if you want to take advantage of it. That's enough blether from me. Let me flip the camera down and we will have a look at what we're doing. So Top Tip Tuesday, this is for what I would call conveyor belt crafting. So I need to make a lot of thank you cards, which I'm thrilled by, obviously, but I want to put a little hippo on the front of each of the thank you cards, along with other bits, which I will have as the picture to go with this video. But I don't really want to have to stamp and die cut all those separate hippos. So I have already die cut my hippos. I've got my hippos stamp and I've also die cut it out of a piece of retired cardstock that's a little bit away from the hinge, just so that it's easier to work with. And this is in my Stamparatus, in case you were wondering what this was. So I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to ink it up and just make sure that we're about in the right place, because then we can just get going on conveyor belt crafting. So I am going to grab my air hockey thing. Let me see if I press a little firmer there. Perfect, it's exactly where I need it. So now I can just slip my pre-die cut Whisper White into the hole where the die would have been if it was in this retired colour, or where the cutout would have been. And we have a perfect, and it would be so much easier to pick up if I could find anything to pick it up with. I'm going to use my bone folder because it's about the only thing I can currently see. So let me just show you that again. Somewhere I've got a take your pick tool, but I think it's on my table ready to help with sending out all my parcels, and I have got quite a lot of parcels to send out. I'm doing a bit of a clear out, so I've got some retired items that I'm selling. I will, when I'm back from New Orleans in September, be doing a buy one get one, which I'll be running over on Facebook, only because it's easier to have that listed. I might be able to do it on my website as well, but I'll have to work that one out. But Facebook is kind of where I think I'm going. But yeah, so these are just little thank you cards for people who have bought from my first round of eBay listing. There's going to be a few. So there we go. That's it, really. There's no point in me keeping going and boring you with it. But I will, as I say, there will be the picture of the finished card. You should already have seen that on the first page of the video. So I will add that in. And of course it will be over on my website, and the link to that is below. Let me just go back to my face. There we are. So yes, the link to my website will be below, and there'll be pictures, and there'll also be a list of what I've used for the final card. So you can have a look at that as well. If you've enjoyed the video and found it useful, a thumbs up is always appreciated, and don't forget, if you don't already subscribe, you can do that in the bottom right hand corner of this screen. I will be going live on this channel at 11 o'clock UK time, Tuesday the 16th of August. So if you're watching this as soon as it posts, this goes live at 8 o'clock UK time, so we've got 9, 10, 11, 3 hours time. I will be live on this channel with just a craft and chat. So yeah, get your favourite beverage, whether it's a coffee because it's early in the morning or cocoa because it's last thing at night, and join me then. Thank you very much indeed for watching me, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye bye.